All right, number 6, 63 times 75. Which of the following could be used to solve 63 times 75? Well, when we set up our area model for 63 times 75 and went to 2-digit by 2-digit, so I know I need 4 boxes. 60 plus 3, 70 plus 5. To find the answer to this, we have to find our partial products. So 60 times 70, I know 6 times 7 is 42. Bring down my 2 zeros. 60 times 5. 6 times 5 I know is 30. Be careful of this one. 30 is part of the product for 6 and 5, so there's a 0. You also have to go back and catch this 0 here. So 60 times 5 is 300. 3 times 70, 7 times 3 is 21. Add that 1 0. 3 times 5 is 15. So which one of these, when you look at your partial products, 4,200, 210, 315, which one does that match up to? Good. A. And so we know that we could use, when we find our partial products, that it matches up to A. Number 7, a case of cereal holds 36 boxes. How many boxes are in 9 cases? 36 boxes, 9 cases, there's 36 in each box. I'm going to set up a simple area model for a 2-digit number times a 1-digit. 30 plus 6 is the same as saying 30 plus 6. 36 is 30 plus 6 times this 9. So your area model is 30 plus 6 times 9. Do your multiplying. 3 times 9 is 27. There's 1 0 between 30 and 9. And then 6 times 9 is just a basic fact. 6 times 9 is we know is 54. This one we have to stack and add because it wants the answer, not just the partial products. It wants the full product. So 270 plus this 54. 0 plus 4 is 4. 7 plus 5 is 12. Put your 2. Carry your 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So what answer choice does it match up to? How many boxes are there? Good. C. 324 boxes. Number 8. An adult human has 32 teeth. If there are 63 adults in a room, how many teeth are in the room, assuming that everybody has all 32 of their teeth? So there's 32 teeth in a mouth. There's 63 mouths, 63 adults. So I know it's going to be 32 times 63. So I need 4 boxes. A 2-digit by a 2-digit for this one. Expanded form. 32 is the same as saying 30 plus 2. 63 is the same as saying 60 plus 3. Let's do our multiplying. 30 times 60. 6 times 3 is 18. There are 2 zeros here that I have to include. So 1,800. 2 times 60. 2 times 6 is 12. There's 1 0 that I have to include here. So 120. 30 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 1 0, so it's 90. And 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, we have to stack and add this one because it wants the product. So 1,800 plus 120 plus 90 plus 6. Okay, so you add all those up. Our ones are 6. 9 plus 2 is 11, so put your 1, carry your 1. 8, 9, 10, so put your 0, carry your 1. 2,000, so 2016 matches up to answer choice D. And I apologize, like I said, if I get going fast. I do have a 15-minute time limit that I have to work in to make YouTube videos. So, number 9, pause it if you need to get caught up. Find the area of the rectangle. Now, this one, it's 14 inches by 6 inches on this one. And so I'm going to redraw another area model so I can do my expanded form. 14 is the same as saying 10 plus 4. Put 6 over on the side, left side. 10 times 6 we know is 60. It's a basic fact. 4 times 6 we know is 24. It's a basic fact. So then we stack and add. 60 plus 24. 0 plus 4 is 4. 6 plus 2 is 8. So it matches up to letter choice C. Okay. Now numbers 10 through 13, it wants you to draw an area model for everyone. So 32 times 4, it's a 2-digit number by 1 digit, so I need 2 boxes. So I'm going to draw, and I'm going to do my expanded form. So 30 plus 2 times that 4. Then we're going to do a multiplying. 30 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12. 1 0, so it's 120. And then 2 times 4, of course, is 8. So stack and add. 120 plus 8, we get an answer, a product of 128. Number 11, 289 times 6. Well, this is a 3-digit number by a 1-digit, so I need 3 boxes on this one. So this would be 200 plus 80 plus 9. Make sure you're copying your problem right. Don't get your numbers mixed up. I've noticed that a couple times too. Somebody might write a 6 right here because they accidentally look in the wrong place. So be careful. This is 289 times 6 over here on the left. Then let's do our multiplying. 2 times 6 I know is 12. I have 2 zeros here that I have to include. 80 times 6. 8 times 6 is 48. Bring down that 1 0. And then 9 times 6, of course, is just 54. Stack and add. So we got 1,200. 480. 54. So when I add them up, that's 4. 8 plus 5 is 13. Put your 3, carry your 1. 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Bring down your 1. 1,734. Number 12. 78 times 32. It's a 2-digit by 2-digit, so I need 4 boxes. 78 is the same as 70 plus 8. 32 is the same as 30 plus 2. And then we do our multiplying. 70 times 30. 7 times 3 is 21. There's 2 zeros that I have to include. 8 times 30. 8 times 3 is 24. There's 1 0 that I have to include, so 240. 70 times 2. 2 times 7 is 14. There's 1 0 that we have to include. And 8 times 2 is 16. So you stack and add 2,100, 240, 140, and 16. Add up my ones, 6, 10s, 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9, 2, 3, 4 hundreds, and bring down your 2, so 2,496. Number 13, 94 times 16, it's another 2-digit by 2-digit, so it's another 4 square. So 94, 90 plus 4, 16, 10 plus 6. Do your multiplying. 90 times 10, 9 times 1 is 9. 2 zeros to work with that you have to include. 4 times 10 is a basic fact. I know that's 40. 90 times 6, 9 times 6 is 54. There's 1 0 to include, so 540. 4 times 6 is 24. Basic fact. Stack and add. So I'm going to put my 900. I'm going to put my 540 next because it's the next biggest number. 40 and then 24. So add up your ones. It's 4. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 2 is 10. Put your 0, carry your 1. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus that's 5 is 15. So 1,504. Number 14, it wants the area of the following rectangles. So it wants the area of this rectangle. So 13 times 7, I'm going to do another area model. So I need 2 boxes because it's a 2-digit number. 13 is the same as saying 10 plus 3. I'm going to move my 7 over here to the left like we're used to. 10 times 7 is 70. 3 times 7 is 21. So I'm going to add those up. 70 plus 21 gives me 91 inches. Include inches on this because that is part of your measurement. It's part of your answer. And number 15, find the area of the following square. Now, this one only gives you one number, but what do you know about a square? Yeah, they have 4 equal sides. They're all going to be the same length. That's what makes it a square. So if this one's 9, this one's 9, this one's 9, this one's 9. So I know that all the sides are going to be 9 inches. So on this one, I don't really have to set up an area model because it's a 1-digit by 1-digit. This is a basic fact. To find the area, what is 9 times 9? Good. 81 inches.